observance of Holy Week, groovy ang ating observance yung po natin ex-seminarians. Ibalo natin, di na bala silang different fields na pagpad. Let's begin with the youngest of the group, Romar. What is now your career path?
Ano lang ako sa Sharp.
So you're into sales or technical?
Sales.
So sales, no? So from would-be priest to salesman, wala pala regret?
Okay.
Okay lang. So pila kayo katuig sa seminary?
2 years na. First year.
So eligible na for membership, basta kaagi sa seminaryo. Okay, and of course, ubod natin si Professor Neil Lasola, no? Nakita natin, very popular, nakita natin always on television, but very controversial. And I'm amazed to find out you're an ex-seminarian also. Professor, anong kakadugay ng seminarian?
Sir, 11 years.
11 years. So you're almost there.
Yes, sir.
Practically.
Practically, I grew up inside, although I did not do that big, no?
Only in terms of spiritual growth.
So spiritual growth, may mga realizations pa gani actually, Sir Gilbert,
Okay.
nga diri sa buwa, nga ang spirituality, hindi na siya nakafocus lang sa mga naanaran natin ng mga rituals. It is more on how we deal with people, we interact with others, that base man sa ginambal sa ating Ginoo sa Ebanghelyo na what we do to others is what we do to God.
Okay, and nakita natin even outside of the seminary, ang mga struggle for the cause of the poor and the oppressed, arak sa gyapon, very strong. And I wish you more power. I know you're still undergoing your own personal struggle, no? So, Halinya from the seminary, you proceeded into the academy.
Actually, nagsugod pa rin ko, nagati pa ko, nag-graduate ko sa College of Law sa UI. It just so happen na nag-teach ko sa nag-4th year ko. Daw nalag ko ang teaching, napabayaan ko.
That is an option. You can reactivate Raul, no, at any time. And of course, kung it's ACT mong priesthood, you could have been an Augustinian priest. But I will not ask you if you want to. And of course, we have here ang ilang nagkakapot sa ilang funds, no? Tiyan Joel Bernas. Ikaw yung Joel, ano ka naka-field sa karon?
I am now connected with Sharp Corporation, handling the whole area of Panay.
So you're Panay branch manager from Sharp. So hindi ko na mabudlay ang career shift from the world of the seminary to the world of business.
Actually, pag trabaho hindi ka mamudlay kaya sa ginagawa you're always handling people, you're talking about people because wala mo ka po isusunod eh. So 8 years. So I've been...
So isa ka man sa almost there.
Yeah, almost there.
And ano yung rason? Why you did not pursue priesthood as an option?
Actually, when I talked with my spiritual director, so ang development sa akong ko galingon, ako galing mismo ng awa naman ng wife ng parish. Pero actually, ang spiritual director ko, nag-hambal sa akong pwede ko, pero ang deep ba lang feeling mo na daw hindi ko pwede magparish. So, kung i-compare mo na siya literally, daw lalaki ka ba lang na ubrahon ka na babae, so hindi mo matay.
So, you feel at the end of the day, it's not your calling. Si Raul Miria is now a lawyer. So, Raul, in your case, the shift was not very sudden. May anak ka pa yan ng career before that. After seminary, sila kayo kapatid sa seminary?
Actually, stayed ko sa seminary 12 years.
12 years? So, ikaw galing iya? Almost, very nabigyan. 12 years nabigyan. So, from high school?
High school, college,
and post.
theology.
So, among them, madugay din sa inyo sa seminary. And, but at the end of the 12 years, you decided to go out.
Actually, nag-start ang doubts ko sa Holy Trinity School in the last 4 years of my stay in the seminary. Actually, I went ako to sa St. Pius, ako na to sa Manila. So, that time gradually na-realize ko nga
calling ko to serve God is through married life.
Through married life and the loss of the religious profession is the gain of the legal profession. So kung natin ang po dahil balo naman natin si Mr. President, ano yung profession na niya sa pagpadayon sa sikat ka